Hey up, dickweeds. Guess who's back? The rain and Peep. This was clear literally like 60 seconds ago. I shit you not. And it's all rainy like this. Like, really? Unlucky if you have any washing out because it gets soaked immediately. Look at this. This was all clear in 2 minutes. Oh my god. This turns into a fucking slip and slide in the morning. I shit you not. I'm not going out in this. I've got socks on. Holy fuck. Jeez Louise. Anyway, I'm gonna go eat an egg. I'm joking, I'm not going to. Jesus Christ. Those shoes are soaked. Well, fuckheads, that's England, I guess. Have a good day, I guess.